People around the world are becoming increasingly aware that we may be living in a time called the final days, or the leading days to apocalypse. While concerns about the end times have been a purely spiritual or religious discussion in the past, scientists are now warning that human activity is destroying our planet and we may become extinct. Pandemics, climate change, droughts, wars, collapsing ecosystems, species extinction, and acidifying oceans are all ominous warnings that humanity's time on Earth may end much sooner than we think if drastic changes aren't made.
The effects of climate change can be seen all around, from raging wildfires to catastrophic flooding. So far, the conversation has primarily been how to prevent it from getting worse.
Half of humanity is in the danger zone from floods, droughts, extreme storms, and wildfires. No nation is immune.
But now a team of international experts led by Cambridge University says we should be prepared for failure. Researchers warn about what they call the four horsemen of the climate endgame: famine, extreme weather, conflict, and disease spread by insects. Scientists are urging world leaders to investigate possible outcomes ranging from a loss of 10% of the global population to eventual human extinction.
In our previous episode, we looked at how human activity has caused enormous species loss, placing us at the center of the sixth mass extinction on our planet. Additionally, the population of wild animal people has fallen by nearly 70% in just 50 years. They have been replaced by farmed animal people who number nearly 70 billion. The planet is experiencing drought in many places. In California, USA, for example, there has been a drought almost every year for the last 11 years. In Europe, rivers have fallen so low that the hunger stones have been revealed. One big concern regarding mass droughts is that farmers will not be able to grow enough crops, which could lead to a major famine.
The German government is promising to compensate thousands of drought-hit farmers. Other farmers in Belgium, Britain, France, the Netherlands, Hungary and Poland are all having their fruit and vegetable production affected, with prices expected to rise.
Regarding our vegetation, we've had a very difficult year. Severe conditions, below average harvests in a lot of regions, and failed harvests. And to describe the situation best, we use this word, given the fact the crop yield this year is 50, 60, 70% lower.
One of the traditional signs of the end times is widespread fire. Throughout the world, forests are being consumed by wildfires. While wildfires have always been part of some ecosystems, they are now raging worldwide at unprecedented rates.